So welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create a bright look, something peachy, something to go with my outfit. This is the look that I came up with, and I really like how it looks. It's no wing liner again, it's no smokiness again, so I love how this looks. And I used a mixture of the Violet Voss palette and my Masquerade by Juvia's palette, and so that's how it turned out. So before we get started, don't forget I have a giveaway going on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe, have a chance to win. I'd love to hit 800 really soon so I can throw out my next giveaway. And enough about that, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so my foundation is done. I contoured, I put a little blush. I did my eyebrows just because it's the same routine all the time. So I'm looking for a peachy kind of a look. I'm going in with my Violet Voss, and I want to take I'm gonna take Erica and Leslie, these two colors here, as my transition color. And let's see. So I want it kind of skin tone, but I want it to have like a little bit of color. Not too much, because it is going to be like a peachy, summery kind of a look. And what the fuck? Now I think I want to go in with I'm gonna put Allison, which is like a pinky kind of a color. It's got like shimmer in it, on my lid, and then we're gonna see what I do next, because I'm not really sure what I want to do. Alright, let's put you. So this is a pretty pink. It's got like shimmer. This might be one of those colors that look better if it's wet, but I want to do everything dry first, and then, you know, I'll go back in. I'm going to go in with Alice, which is like orangey color. Put that right over here. And I want to have it kind of like going up, just to give the illusion that the eye isn't as hooded, you know. I'm going to take some of that Alice right on the bottom. Just to warm the bottom up. Now I'm going to go back in with Allison, which is that pinky color, and I'm going to wet it. Alright, now I think I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this smaller flat brush, and I want to take this color here. It's called Janet. It's like a yellow, and I'm gonna run that really close to the front. I'm going to grab a little more. Like that. Now, so I'm going to take the Absolute Pure Metal Veil in the color Trust Fund, which is just gold. I'm going to add this to the front. Like that. I'm gonna go back in with the pink just to, you know, smooth it out. Like that. Let that dry. Alright, so I'm gonna use this Rimmel Nude in the nude. It's an eyeliner. I'm gonna just run it through my waterline. I'm not gonna do black today. And that's just gonna open the eye. But I do wanna do some green towards the bottom, because this is what I'm wearing and it's got like green on it. So this is the Jordana green, well, Endless Emerald. I'm gonna put it really close to the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take some, is there any green in here? No, there isn't. I'm gonna take this green here and run it on the bottom lash line. Like that. So actually I like that because it's a little bit lighter than the green that I initially put on. So now I'm gonna do 1,000 coats of mascara because I'm not gonna do a wing liner. So I think I want to go into Juvia's The Masquerade Mini, and I want to take this color here, which is Body. I'm gonna put that in the center only because it doesn't seem to have too much of a pop. I think I like that better. So let me just add a little bit more mascara because I feel like I shuffled the lashes a little. And I'm just doing mascara so that you can see all the colors and it isn't like you have on lashes and it covered it all and now you can't see anything kind of a thing. Alright, so I'm going to spray my face, which I should have did probably before. Yesterday I showed you guys I had did like my own kind of Fenty lava thing, and this is how it looks. But I added more stuff to it, so I'm just gonna cover myself in case it's a disaster. It doesn't ruin my clothes because I got on white pants. So I'm just gonna spray. Ooh. Alright, so I can see it's having a hard time coming out, so I might have to switch bottles. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna tap because there's a lot of dots on my face. Alright, that didn't work. I'm gonna take some highlight, and this is just one of those Marshall's finds, which is almost, I scraped up to put in there. Ooh. Then I'm gonna add some of my coconut water. Dry it up. Hope that doesn't mess up necklace. Now I'm going to, oh, alright, that's how it's looking. And I'm gonna take just a nude lip liner and fill it in. This is the lip liner from Kiss in the color Totes Pink. Lined it, and I'm gonna take this is from Black Radiance in the color 5205. It's a mauve color. It's got like the lipstick on one end. And the gloss on the other. So the gloss I'm just putting on the center. And that's the look. So I wanted something bright yellow, pink, peachy to go with my top. This turned out to be a little more pinky than peachy, but I still like how it looks. I love that it's so bright, vibrant. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And this, I can see it on the skin. It gives it like that glow. It might be a little bit too thick to spray out of this little nozzle, so I might have to change that, but that's how it looks. And I just think it looks beautiful. So let me know what you think. This is the final look. Now you can add lashes, you can do a wing liner, you can add some black whatever you want to do. I just wanted it to be more daytime, more vibrant, more bright, and not so much of a smoky eye, not so much of like a darker look. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe, join the family, and I will see you guys on the next one.